Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to find previously liked posts on Facebook. So let's begin. First, grab your phone, open the Facebook app and make sure you can log into correct account. After that, at the top left corner, you can find the 3 hamburger menu icon. Simply tap on it to open the page. Then scroll down slowly. You can find settings and privacy option. Simply tap on it, then go to settings. Once you are in the settings and privacy page, scroll down slowly. This time you can find the your activity section under activity log option. Tap on it to open them. After this page is open, scroll down again, look for the your Facebook activity center. Simply tap on it. Then you can find comment and reaction option. Click on the manage comments and reaction button. After it open, you can click on filter button, then select categories. You can see pop-up option appear. This time you can simply tap on like and reaction option and wait to open the page and see you can see all of the previously liked posts there. That is how you can easily done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Take care.